Hey guys, how are you doing? I was just laughing for one tangent. Anyways, today we decided to upload a new video because it's boring. And that's why
It's just boring.
He's just warming up. We are making very sour but nice, that is
Arabic pickle.
it's very incredible, guys. You must watch this video. But before we get into the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe, okay? You must do it right now. Now, guys. Then. Let's go to ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Bye-bye. For Arabic pickles, we decided to choose 3 different colors of capsicum. You can choose your own colors of capsicums as you wish.
More than that, you can use carrot,
Okay.
cucumber, and brinjal. Alright?
Alright, we have chosen for our capsicums are yellow, green and red. The others are green chili, garlic and salt.
And also the major ingredients, white vinegar, and also extra piping hot water.
If you are a lover of sour and spicy pickles, then please try this at your home because you will enjoy it. My father just sliced all the peppers in this shape.
Now I will show you how to arrange and nicely in a capsicum in the glass jar. Like this, okay? You can arrange as you wish. Like this. I'm going to add the green chili. Look, this green chili, I didn't slit the green chili. If you really require, you can cut the green chilies into 2 pieces. Also, I'm going to add the garlic. Okay. Then we had to arrange rest of the capsicum accordingly. Now I'm going to add the all granulated salt. Also going to add the hot water. Make sure you have to pour the water up to 3/4. Then, so you have to pour the vinegar like this, then cover with the lid.
Now we had to store the Arabic pickles in the room temperature for approximately 48 hours or 2 days.
Sorry.
So that I think we need some.
I don't have a patience to wait for 2 days.
What? What about you guys? You must have some patience at least.
I'm agree with you. Guys, please wait at least 2 days.
Yeah.
After that, you open the jar, you will get perfect crunchy pickle. I'm 100% guarantee with you.
Yeah. It's been 3 days, guys. So it's time to taste these stored sour pickles.
Yes.
Dad, I think you can take the honors to open this. If it splashes.
Just far away.
Yeah, I don't want this splash.
Fool.
No, I don't know. If it splashes it, I will take. No, I really don't want to smell sour items, but I'll take red because I just like red. Oh, it's dripping.
I also want to take.
My eyes are starting to water a bit.
Honestly, really very tasty.
To be honest, guys, I'm not really a sour person. I'm more of a sweet person. But this really does taste good.
Really very good.
Unlike other pickles, this just tastes way better.
Yes.
So guys, if you watching this video love sour items, then do not forget to make this. And that too, it's a bit spicy as well. So it's perfect Therefore, make this at your home because you will like it. You must try this, please. It's really good. But don't forget the big part. Make sure to like this video. Share this video to all your sour and spicy friends there. And subscribe to this channel, which is our channel, the red button. And click the bell. Yeah, this is my bell. Cling, cling. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, spicy.
Very
Garlic.
good.
Oh, it's coming.